Hello everybody, happy Monday. We'll see. I see we're now under a winter storm warning for tomorrow starting at noon, I believe, or sometime, I'm not sure. Anyways, we'll see what happens. But for today for PD, what I want you to do is find time to peer coach, plan, and collaborate about your small group lessons and what's going on in your literacy block. It's really important that you take the time to do this. So many of you, like over a dozen, I think, have already demonstrated your lessons for each other, and that is awesome. I am just super impressed. I met with Mr. Boovie this morning. He's my partner, and I hopefully will not let him down, but we had some really good conversation about the skills that his students need to work on, and that's the kind of conversation I hope you're having is what do your students need to work on that you're going to be teaching the lesson to? What type of a lesson are you going to be teaching? And maybe just get some ideas from the person you're demonstrating them for. It's a great opportunity to stretch your thinking as a teacher and also just get some feedback on what you're doing a great job of. So when you are giving feedback, and I will send out a form to help guide questions. We're not collecting any of these forms, but I do want you to be able to give each other some feedback about what you noticed during the observation. Asking the other person, what do you think went really well? Is there anything that you're going to do next time as a result of how the lesson went? And what are areas that you're feeling were strengths in the lesson for the students? What are areas that you're going to continue to support your students on? So some of those are sample questions of what you can talk about when you're reflecting about the lessons. I also want you to use this time. We have a nice chunk of PD time today to use this time to think about what you're going to do for your next lesson, and that's the lesson that your partner will videotape. And remember that videotape can be just done on your phone. I plan to just use my phone and have Justin record me, and so he's going to use my phone and record me, and maybe I'll use my phone, record him, and send it to him. And it's just for us. It's not anything that I'm asking you to share with anybody else. I will share my video with all of you though, and we'll kind of walk through my lessons that we can pick it apart. But I hope for this to be a really good learning opportunity. So for today, for your PD time, use this time to plan, peer coach. And remember, peer coaching is supporting each other, asking those questions, helping each other build the strongest lesson you can. And then you might even practice or walk through the lesson that you're going to teach. For those of you who have already taught your lesson, you might think about reflecting on your lesson with those questions. And then if you've already done those pieces, you can look at what is your next lesson going to be? What's going to be your focus for your small skills-based group that is videotaped? And that's all for today. So I hope you had a great Monday and that your afternoon goes well, and we'll just hold on and see what our weather does tomorrow. Have a great night.